Welcome back. Amit Pratihari, MD at Beers Forevermark, now joins us live on the show. Amit, hi, thank you for joining us and happy festivities to you. You look at the diamond market overall, and what would you say, first of all, on the prices itself? Because we do understand that from its highs, we've seen prices come off. But at these levels, how is the buying during the festive season?
So I think, Manisha, the prices are all market related. But whatever goes up comes down, but nothing can take away the shine from the diamond. And our love, particularly when you look at Indian market, I think we are in a very, very positive space. Consumers are looking for a product, that would add, not only hold the value for shorter term, but also for long term view. And in India, I think this Diwali we are looking at a very, very positive note. Retailers are seeing a very good footfall. People have started, coming into the store, pre-booking the order. So there's a lot of excitement happening. We are quite positive that this Diwali is going to be, at least seeing a double-digit growth, Manisha.
Amit, what is the kind of penetration that we have in the Indian markets when it comes to diamonds, and what is the kind of growth that you have seen?
So I think it's a very important question, Manisha. I think from a penetration point of view, India, diamond has seen only 10% penetration. Okay, so we see a very, very long opportunity for as a DBS point of view. And if you look at the current market growth rate, India has already taken over China, and we are the second largest diamond consuming country, almost holding around close to 11 to 15% of consumption is happening in India. And from that space, I think India has a lot more opportunity to grow, in fact. But one more important fact we have to note here is India is very much in love with the smaller diamonds. But in the big metros and big retailers, we are seeing the larger size also building up. Basically, I'm looking at a 30-pointer upward kind of size of diamond. So, yeah, overall, I think we have a strong positive outcome. And it's just not a short term, for the long term view also. Like next 10 years, I think there's an absolute positivity. And it is just India always had a customer base. People where there's a love for jewelry in the market, been existing for many, many years. But what's happening is that also the investors' confidence is also building up in this category, thanks to the new players, new organized retailer who are taking part in this category of business. So, and when the new organized retailer comes into play, there will be definitely some correction, but in the market, but in totality, it will help in building consumer confidence.
Amit, the all-time high gold prices, how have you seen that impact the jewelry demand into India? We do understand that when it comes to diamonds, it is a lower caratage, which is in any case used. Has the all-time high gold prices in some sense impacted or even supported diamond demand?
So I tell you what, our mind is like what goes up, people rush for buying it. And if you see there is a small correction in diamond and there is increase in gold, in totality, end of the day, like the customer is a winner. They are getting better value for the product. And because of this price correction, there is also a positivity in the market and the consumer sentiment.
Amit, the other thing clearly has been about certification, traceability. Would you say that is at mark now, and that is what has led to millennials as well coming into this market?
Yeah, Manisha, again another valid question you have asked. Today's generation of Indian consumer are more inquisitive. They are more enlightened than ever before. That's where they want to obtain grading report or certification from independent jewelers also. And they want to know from where this diamond is coming from. Okay, they want to ensure that what they are buying is a natural diamond versus any substitute. So they want to make sure that what they are purchasing is absolutely genuine, and they want to know the traceability. And so that is the need of the hour. And I think I'm happy most of the retailers are, taking note of that and doing the needful.
Amit, thank you for that, and so for joining us and giving us that information, really. And we'll, of course, come back to you around Dhanteras and Diwali and understand on what really has been the demand at that time. As Amit says, it's going to be the wedding season going forward, and the festival demand seems to be picking up. Double-digit demand growth is what India is looking at during this festive season. So those are big numbers coming in from diamond as a category as well. But with that, it's a wrap on Halftime Report. We go for a break. Business Lunch will take all the action ahead.